Hey guys, okay, today I'm going to show you a way to get hundreds of blog post ideas along with keywords and suggested titles. So this is going to save you a ton of work. All right, so the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to add um, a, a Chrome extension. Okay, so you have to be using Chrome. And if you go to Chrome extensions, let's see. Chrome Web Store. Let's try that. And we're going to look for keywords everywhere. And you'll see it right here, keywords everywhere. Add it to Chrome, add the extension. Okay, and it's that simple. Now you have to get an API key. So you're going to click on Get Your API Key. I'm going to add my email address. They're going to type. Okay, and I'm going to agree to the terms of service. I don't really want their privacy policy. Okay, so I'll be right back. I'm going to go and grab my API key. Okay, I got my API key by email. I'm going to click on my little extensions icon, click on keywords everywhere. And now that this box has opened up, I'm going to click on settings and I'm going to paste my API key in here and validate. Okay, and that is it. So now when I go over to ChatGPT and I refresh, you'll see that I now have this box right here from keywords everywhere. So what I'm going to do is, uh, okay, I'm going to move that here. I'm going to grab this right here. It's called templates. And you choose a category. I'm going to choose SEO. The subcategory is going to be keyword research. And I want to get keyword strategy. Okay, now this has opened up a prompt for me. So all I have to do is add my keyword into here. So I'm working on a test site and it's called Hike and Ski, and it's for hiking and skiing in New England. So I'm going to say that my keyword is going to be hike, and I'm going to say white mountains because I want it to be specific. Okay. Total keywords right here, it says 500. That's the default setting. I'm going to leave it at that. So I execute that template and I'm going to say, yes, first 60 because it is going to be a lot. Okay, that asked me if I wanted to generate the whole markdown table or just the first 60. So here's what it's giving me. SEO keyword strategy and content plan. The category is White Mountains hiking trails. It's giving me all of these keywords, easy hikes, difficult hikes, family-friendly hikes. These are all long tail keywords. It's giving me the search intent if it's informational, and it will give me others as well. Here's one, transactional, commercial, and it's giving me titles for my blog posts, and it's giving me a description of my blog posts. So this is probably the best resource I have seen to find keywords. Now you'll have to do a little bit of work and you'll have to see how, what the search volume is for these. But I would say that most of these are um, pretty much, they're going to be a good search volume. The best mountains hiking trails, I'm sure is going to be a pretty well searched, and it's going to give me a good idea of my target. So I can just take these now. I can go over to RightBlogger. And let's do that. I'm gonna grab Franconia Ridge Trail Hike. Okay, I'm gonna go over to my RightBlogger account, and you can use RightBlogger, the free account, if you need to. I have a paid account. Okay, I'm inside my RightBlogger account, so I'm gonna go right over to the article writer, and I'm gonna paste in my keyword. And I want to be able to edit the outline. Um, I don't think I want images. I'll do my own. I'll take some external links though. And let's just see what we come up with. And you can see I've done a few of them in here. Um, so we're just going to let this work for a moment. Okay, and you can see here that RightBlogger has written an entire outline for me. And I like to do it this way only because when I do it this way, it gives me ideas that I wouldn't have thought of, and I wouldn't have even thought of to add to this post. So even this parking permits, restrooms, and shuttles. I mean, it's great to get information like that, and it will give you a really well-rounded article. So now all I have to do is click Generate Article, and then copy it over into WordPress, edit it, add some personal experiences while hiking, etc. And I have an article that's good to go, and you can see how quick that was. So if we go back to ChatGPT, I would take a cat these different categories: White Mountains, and then hiking peaks and summits, hiking seasons and weather. These can all be um, cluster posts around these particular pillar posts. Like this sounds like it would be a pillar post. 10 best White Mountains hiking trails for every adventure level. And then you can see how each one breaks down easy hikes, difficult hikes, family-friendly hikes. So if this were my pillar post, I could have all these clusters done in no time. And of course, you have to do a lot of editing. You have to find some good images. That's all part of this and part of the work that you have to do. But this really is going to cut down your blogging time. So I hope you enjoy Keywords Everywhere.